Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you with a freeware tool that is known as Nome Soft USB Guard. This is a freeware tool and you need to download it. That link I will provide in this video description. After downloading, right click on this one zip file, select extract all, then click on the extract button. This will extract in a folder. You need to install it on your computer. I have already installed it. After installing, right click on the shortcut icon of the software and then select run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click yes, then click on the continue button. This will help you in case you want to block all USB or enable or disable. You can choose this one option. There is only two options, enable and disable USB drive. You can disable USB storage or enable USB storage on any Windows PC such as Windows 10, 11, whatever you are using. Just select this one, any option you want to use. To enable this one USB storage, just select enable option, and to disable the storage USB storage drive, just select this one option. After that, click on this one OK button. In case you have enabled the USB, and then you can choose two options. You can make USB drive remove as a read only. That means any USB drive will work on your Windows PC, but it will be in read only mode. That means you no one can copy any data from your PC. And next one is next one option is make a removable drive read write. This will, if you select this one option, USB storage will work as usual. Just select the option according to your needs and then click on this one OK button to apply the changes. After, in case you have already connected an USB drive, just eject it and reconnect it to your PC. Then these settings will be applied to that USB also. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.